Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint and reach your goal. If I was to ask you for your definition of culture, what would you say? Perhaps the way we do things around here? But that begs the question, doesn't it? Maybe your team is quite hierarchical and bureaucratic, or perhaps it's intensely market-focused and competitive. Not quite right? How about you more family-like and clannish? Or you ad hoc and jump from one thing to the next? And what if I was to ask you about the culture of the different levels within your organization? What's the difference between the top executives, the production and project managers, and the operators on the front line? Are the top executives only interested in the bottom line? Do the project and production managers lament how their well-engineered plans are continually changed by the top executive and undermined by the operators? And are the operators scornful of all those above them who don't know how the work actually gets done? What if we were to define culture as internal cohesion and external adaptation? In other words, it's how an organization strives to remain integrated inside while at the same time constantly adapting to the changing environment outside. Review your organization's cultural symbols and rituals. Reread your espoused beliefs and values and dig deep as an anthropologist would into understanding your organization's basic underlying assumptions and your own. Take those essential steps and you'll begin to discover something of what your culture actually is. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.